Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5 V6. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.